Yes. Just stir it up a little. I'll put some water in here. It's pretty. And then what color you want for the outside. You might even want to do a couple. Open up a jar and make sure that 7 jars. When I opened them,
we're no good.
they were like this. See, they just
or powder.
solid. Yeah, it's a solid clump. So if it's that bad, it can't be reincarnated.
Gotcha.
But if it's only as bad as like this, well, that can be reincarnated.
Then there's a chance.